It's Saturday morning. I'm going to show you some beautiful fabrics. The fashion world for fall and especially for spring is turning green. Green is just all over the place. It's really popular. So I'm going to show you some beautiful greens. They just really blend well together. This is a cotton poly. It's a 2-layer fabric. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. You can almost take the layers apart. Great drape. It's like a tencel, but it burns a cotton poly. It could be a tencel poly. I can't tell. But it's really beautiful. Great drape, great pants, anything would work really well. This is an Italian 100% viscose. You can see what a beautiful piece of fabric this is. Get my hand out of the way, and the weaving like takes place. I mean, it's beautiful. Most of these are going to be $12.99. There'll be a couple exceptions here, but $12.99, and then they'll be a little bit higher. But again, great pricing on all of this. This is a 2-way knit. It's like a Pontoroma. With like an insulation on the back of it. It's just, again, so pretty and so unique and unusual. Beautiful green. You can see how it pairs with everything. It's really pretty. There's 100% wool. This one, I'm sorry, has stretch in both directions. I'm not sure if I said that. The wool is a woven. It's an olive green, spectacular color. Just very pretty. It has a little mechanical stretch to it, but it is a woven fabric. Very pretty color. It might even be a cashmere, but it's a really pretty piece of fabric. And then this is 100% viscose. Again, very pretty. Both sides usable. Just beautiful. Great drape. Light, airy. Really, one of the most popular things you're going to see is these viscose for spring. But they're coming out. I mean, they're really popular right now. This is an olive green. It's a cotton poly. It has stretch, obviously, because of the accordion pleating that's there. It could be left and simply done in a skirt, but beautiful. Both sides are usable. Really pretty. This is a cotton poly, mostly cotton. It's got a little bit of poly in it, probably to keep that stretch there permanently, but that's a one-way stretch. Is that beautiful? But again, we're going to do a lot of these for $12.99. The wool, obviously, the cashmere I can't, but we're going to keep these prices really down. So the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.